Welcome! If you're tired of getting notifications about trending lenses on Snapchat and want to turn them off, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple, updated steps to disable those notifications directly from your phone settings. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's main settings. This is where you manage all your apps and their notifications. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications. The exact wording can vary depending on your device, but it's usually pretty easy to spot. After you open the Apps menu, scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open its app-specific settings. Here you'll see various options about storage, permissions, and notifications. Next, tap on the Notifications option. This section controls how Snapchat sends alerts and notifications on your phone. Instead of a generic on-off switch, Snapchat breaks notifications down into different categories for more tailored control. Look for a button or link labeled Notification Categories and tap it. In this menu, you'll find a list of different notification types that Snapchat sends you. What you want to focus on is the section called Public Content. Within this category, you'll see an option for trending lenses. This controls the notifications that pop up when new or popular lenses are trending on Snapchat. To stop these notifications, simply toggle the switch off next to trending lenses. This will prevent your phone from buzzing every time there's a new lens Snapchat wants to highlight, while still allowing other important notifications from the app to come through. And that's it. Once you've turned off the trending lenses notifications, your phone will no longer disturb you with those updates. You can still enjoy using Snapchat and checking out lenses on your own time without the extra alerts. If you ever want to re-enable these notifications, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused Snapchat experience.